She's the one taking care of the babies and usually getting food for them. She's more of a duller color because she needs to camouflage with the nest to protect them. But the male's brighter because he needs to attract the females to mate with her.
Measurements. The lightest bird is 0.063 ounces, and the largest bird is 2,090 pounds. 2,090 pounds.
Please do not commentate.
Which is the ostrich. And the smallest is the hummingbird.
And then there are 10,000 living species of birds, and 1,200 species are threatened of being extinct. And the hummingbird can beat its wings 90 times per second. I can't do it once. And 190 birds are species of birds have been extinct since 1500.
The diet and food chain, the smaller birds usually eat something their size like seeds and nuts, and the predator birds eat rodents and meat and other birds.
In the life cycle, the two, male and female, they mate, then the female lays her eggs, then takes care of the eggs, the eggs hatch, then it's premature, and then an adult. Then repeat.
And then an example of the penguin life cycle, where January through March they go feeding, then May they mate, and April 60 to 100 miles. And then males incubate eggs from June to July, and then the females go off to feed. And then it hatches in August, and the females return, and then just the rest and repeat over 6 times.
In the habitat, birds populate every kind of biome in the world. They live in like shoreline area by the water, desert, tropical, forest, and Arctic.
In the housing structures, they usually use mud nests or twig nests, or they burrow. And they gather things such as mud, twigs, wood, chips, fluff, plants, and feathers.
Their adaptation, birds adapt according to where they live, like their claws. Like little birds don't really have strong claws because they don't need to kill prey. They eat like nuts and things. Their beaks also adapt to the kind of food they eat, like what kind of nuts they eat.
And how the birds survive, they camouflage.
What role do they play? They can be predator or prey, and they're producers and they're consumers, either or.
And some fun facts: falcons can dive up to 200 miles per hour, and there's some poisonous birds called the hooded patootie. The feathers weigh more than their bones, and a bird's wingspan can get up to 8 feet long.
If a human were to dive as fast as the falcon can dive, 200 miles an hour, you wouldn't be able to breathe. So the adaptation that bird has is its nostrils, so it can breathe while it's diving that fast.
Wow.
The end.
Woo! Yay!